Well, as the search for Jessica Heeringa continues, there has been some focus and some questions about how safe she was really at work.
The 25-year-old mom disappeared shortly before her shift ended Friday night at the Exxon gas station in Norton Shores. She was working alone, and the station didn't have security cameras. But could something have been done to keep her safe?
24-hour News 8's Danny Carlson is here to explain why this topic is not a new one for safety organizations. Danny?
No, that's right, Sue and Brian. We went through a 40-page document that's from the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA. These guidelines were originally published in 1989, updated 20 years later. They outline what businesses can do to help keep their workers as safe as possible. Now, a big focus throughout this document is on late-night retail workers, saying several factors make them especially at risk. Those include the exchange of money, working alone, isolated work sites, the sale of alcohol, poorly lit stores and parking areas, and lack of training. OSHA recommends a number of steps owners can take to make their businesses less appealing to criminals. Among the highlights of those are keeping windows clear and shelves low so workers can see who's outside and police can see what's happening inside, placing curved mirrors in corners or concealed areas, making sure there is proper lighting both inside and outside, installing surveillance equipment, having a detector on the door that alerts the clerk when someone comes into the store. Maintaining alarm systems, installing barriers like bullet-resistant enclosures with a pass-through window between customers and workers, and having more than one worker on a shift at a time. Now, OSHA says these guidelines are voluntary and they're meant to encourage business owners to look at the risk of violence and try to take steps to prevent it. Live in studio control tonight, Danny Carlson, 24-hour News 8.